Welcome back to channel everyone. I am thrilled to be here with you all as we dive into the world of complex problem solving and interview preparation for top-notch companies like Microsoft. I will be breaking down the toughest questions and providing simplified solutions while showcasing my coding skills live in the studio. Okay, so in this coming series, we are going to solve some complex problem that are going to ask in the MNCs like Microsoft, Amazon, Google. So let me start with the very basic data structure problem statement. So the problem statement is given an array of size n minus 1 such that it only contains distinct integers in the range of 1 to n. Find the missing element. So what problem statement says is we have to find the missing elements from the given set of input array. So here input array is 1 2 3 4 5, not 4. Here input array is 1 2 3 and 5. So here you can see 4 is missing. So our function, Python function, should be capable enough to return or to provide a output as a missing value as 4. So here we can see input n number equals to n equals to 5 and input is 1 2 3 and 5. Alright, so let's move on to the ID and we will try to write a function to solve this problem. Alright, so here already I have mentioned the problem statement. Okay, so what is needed? First of all, let's say we need one array. Alright, uh, array equals to 1 2 3 and 5. Okay, or yes, 1 2 3 and 5. Okay, now here n equals to 5. Okay, this is the basic input given in the problem statement. Alright, so arrays 1 2 3 and 5 where 4 is missing and n equals to 5. Now we need to code it accordingly. Okay, let me write a one class. Let's say find missing. Okay, this is the class. Let me write one function inside this class. Okay, missing number, this is the function accepts two parameter. First one is array, next one is the n, that is the elements. Okay, input element. Now what we have to do is we need to find the missing part out of it. All right, so what we have to do, we need to first calculate the sum of integers. So for calculating the sum, let's say total underscore sum equals to n into n plus 1, okay, divided by 2. Okay, I will show you why I'm using this expression here. Okay, and after that calculate the sum of elements in the array. So in my previous video lectures I have explained some Python inbuilt functions. So we will use one sum function and we will pass array in that one. Okay, and output of this one we will store in the array underscore sum equals to this one. All right, what this function will return is it should return total sum minus array underscore sum. All right, what I have done here, I just created one class called as find missing. There is a one function missing number. It accepts two parameter array and the n. That is the number given in the problem statement. All right. So what I did, I just calculated the sum n into n plus 1 divided by 2 and the total sum of the array. So whatever we will getting in the total sum, and after that if we are subtracting it from the the array sum, we are subtracting from the total sum, that is the missing number only. All right. So let me save the program, let me execute it. Okay, let me see where is this Microsoft. All right, Python problem statements .py. Okay, so now this is the input array. All right, we need to create object of this class. Let me say s equals to find missing. Okay, array equals to this one. So what I will do is missing num equals to s dot, I'm just calling using the object reference, I'm just calling that method. Okay, and I'm passing the argument array comma n, and after that I'm printing missing num is, and here missing num. All right. Okay, now let me execute the program. So you can see missing number is 4. All right, I just created one object reference of this class find missing. I just call this method missing number which accepts two argument array and n. I calculated the total sum and the array sum. After that I subtracted array sum from this total sum and I'm just returning it. So I'm getting missing number is 4. Let me take one more example, 1 2 3. Instead of, let me change it to 1 2 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, and here n equals to 6. All right, so you can see here missing number is 3. All right, let me execute it. So here you can see missing number is 3. So this was the solution. You can also mention your solution in the comment box. You can suggest best suitable. So this was the optimized solution for this given a problem statement. So thank you so much guys for watching.